What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a really big unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Ring home security, and we're going to also be unboxing the Echo Dot. So I purchased this Ring system off Amazon. This is the 8-piece set. When you purchase this set, it also comes with a free Echo Dot. I know there's some other bundle deal sets that comes with a Ring doorbell, and there's another set that comes with the Amazon or the Alexa, I think Show, I think it's called. I'm now with my system, I have the Z Moto cameras already set up, so later down the line I might switch out to the Ring doorbells. Depend on if I like this system a lot. I'll let you guys know at the end if I'm going to be switching to the Ring doorbell, because it will make all my systems compatible with the one system. It'll be like an ecosystem. Alright, so before we get this video started, I want to just let everybody know, if you haven't already, go hit the subscribe button, show a little bit of support. So I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I know with your guys' support I can get there. So show a little bit of support. If this video was helpful, make sure you guys hit the like button. And let's jump right straight into it. Alright, so I purchased this, like I said, off Amazon. This set here itself was, I believe, $259.99. I think I almost spent 300 bucks because I had to buy an extra contact sensor. This kit itself comes with 4 contact sensors. It comes with the base station, it comes with the keypad, and it comes with 1 motion detector and 1 range extender. They also, like I said, they come with a couple different sets you can purchase. This thing is compatible with the Ring doorbell, so if you have a Ring doorbell or any Ring cameras, make sure you connect this system up to your home security system. Alright, so the first thing they put inside the box is going to be the base station. This base station is pretty legit, pretty nice. It's plastic. Now the pros to this second gen security system is you get a built-in battery that lasts 24 hours if the power goes out. You can hook this up directly to your internet, which is the way I'm going to be doing it, or you can hook it up to your Wi-Fi, and it also comes with a USB outlet as well. So next we got the keypad. This keypad is pretty cool. I like the slick design. Look a little fancy, the way they got the numbers and stuff set up, and it actually looked like a real alarm system. So this keypad is pretty nice. It comes with a bunch of new features versus the first gen. If you did have the first gen, you're gonna know that it comes with different features on it. Now there's a couple of different buttons on here, new buttons versus the old gen. You got your emergency alert systems buttons on the side for your medical, fire, and then police department. Here at the top you got your disarm, arm at home, and you got your arm button on here as well. I'm going to show you guys how that works and how to use that and how to set up the pin code as well. So we're going to get into that later in the video. Alright, so next we got in the box is all the accessories to the actual Ring security system. In my bundle deal, it came with the 4 contact sensors, the motion detector, the range extender, and it came with the power adapters. Now if you need to purchase any additional contact sensors or motion detectors or even keypads, you can go right back on Amazon, and they do have additional so the contact sensors are used on the doors and windows. I purchased 4 of these contact sensors. They do have sticky backing on them, so it make them super easy to hang on your windows. Make sure you guys clean the surfaces before hanging any of these double-sided stickies. I usually use alcohol because it makes the paint tacky and it makes it adhere a little better. So make sure you guys wipe any dust or any dirt or oil off the or the surface before hanging these things. Next, it comes with the power cable. This is going to be the charging cable, or you can leave it plugged in for your keypad. I'm going to leave mine plugged in. They do provide anchors and screws for your keypad. Now they don't provide any screws or anchors for your dock station, I guess because they figure most people are going to just sit it somewhere. Now I do recommend you guys hang your actual base station, put it up somewhere high where somebody can't really reach it and get to it, and hide as many cords as you can. Alright, so this thing did come with an Echo Dot. This is the 3rd gen. I bought the 1st gen for the kids. Thing's pretty cool. I like the 3rd gen pretty better. They made it almost look like an entire speaker. I'm guessing, I mean, it will be an entire speaker, but The first gen, it was wrapped around with plastic, but this thing actually is looking like an entire speaker. So I recommend getting this. This is going to help you arm and disarm your system. So look into the bundle deal. This does come free if you buy the bundle. Ring made this where it's super easy to install. It makes it easy for the normal person that don't really know anything about drilling holes and stuff to install this thing. So that's really cool. But what I'm gonna be doing here in my next couple of clips is I'm gonna be hiding a Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable line or internet line through the walls, just because I don't want so many wires exposed. It's bad enough that you're gonna have a plug wire exposed, but I want to hide some of this Cat 5 wire through the walls. So I'm going to show you guys how to install a box and install an adapter, and hopefully this can hide some of those wires, especially for the people that don't want to hook up to Wi-Fi, knowing that Wi-Fi sometimes signal fades. So for anybody that wants to know how to install their own box, watch these next couple clips. If you don't care and you're going to install up to Wi-Fi, you skip past the next 1.5 minutes. All right, so I hope that clip helped out a lot of people when it's come to cutting out the line. Super easy, super simple. You just basically draw the actual square, drill out the holes. For people, I mean, a lot of people are going to tell you that you need to use a drill bit, and if you want to do it the proper way, you will use a drill bit. But I had a couple screws laying around, and I didn't feel like going to the truck looking for a drill bit, so I just used drilled out 4 holes with the screws and used my drywall knife and cut that hole out, and it fit perfect. So super easy. Anybody can do it, so don't be a little nervous when it comes to cutting out your drywall. Just make sure you cut the square out correct, and you're gonna be all good. So Ring recommends you guys put this or hang this sensor at least 7.5 feet from the ground, especially if you have pets. I'm actually gonna hang mine. I think my height is gonna be 9 feet, So the higher the better. Just don't put it too high where it can't read the actual range of the floor. So I think no more than 12 feet. I'm not exact, so don't quote me on that, but hang it pretty high, high enough where it can capture the whole room. All right, so now we're gonna hang the actual keypad to this ring system. Super easy to hang. It comes with a mounting bracket and a couple screws and some anchors if you need it. Um, Now the most logical place to hang this thing is going to be by the front door, just because that's going to be the most where most of your crowds come in through the front door. If that's the back door, then put this thing at the back door, or you can buy a second one and have them at both doors. So super simple to hang. This thing is pretty cool. You're going to set your password from the keypad, or you can do it from your phone. Now the contact sensors, where my door had like maybe a 1/4 inch gap, so it really didn't really line up correct, but I tested it and it still works. So um, the gap really doesn't matter. I guess you can be almost up to a 1/2 inch off. Maybe mine is a 1/2 inch off now that I'm looking at it. So I think it's up to a 1/2 inch off, and this thing still will make contact and still work. So I had to buy four. If you do need to buy additional more contact sensors, they do have a couple bundle deals. Make sure you don't just go buy one, because they do have a bundle deal where you get, the more you buy, the more you save. So check that out. As far as the app goes and setting this thing up, super simple, super easy. You just follow the directions, pull the tabs. Now don't plug everything in at once, and please do not pull all the tabs out of the contact sensors before you set them up, because then you're going to get mixed up as far as what name and which one goes to which. So make sure you guys don't pull any of the tabs until, or don't plug anything in until you're ready to actually power this thing up and you're finished installing everything. That's one of the steps you don't want to skip. So um, in the next couple clips, I'm going to be showing you guys how this system works and how easy it is and how each contact sensor work. And I'm going to actually at the end set up the alarm to show you guys how loud it gets. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.